Hello viewers, how are you doing? In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to crochet this little heart. For this tutorial I'm going to be using this special Stylecraft special decay yarn, and I'm also going to be using a 5mm crochet hook and a scissor. Let's start then. So first of all, I am using this graph, and here in the graph I have colored the sections. Some of the sections squares are in red and left some of them are in white. That means I'm going to color those in white. Each square represents one single crochet. Okay, so for this square I have done 15 squares, 15 chains. Each square represents a chain, each square represents a single crochet, and we'll start with a slip knot. Wrap the yarn around your left hand index finger twice, then put the back loop to the front, repeat it again, and then take the back loop all the way out and start stretching it. Now put your crochet hook through, just tighten it, adjust your slip knot, that's it. Now I'm going to start doing my chains, and we are going to do 15 chains. So wrap the yarn around, pull through, that's the first chain space. Just repeat these steps for 15 times. So I've done my 15 chain spaces. Now I have to start doing row 1, and row 1 is just going to be, as you can see here, no red, only white. Okay, so I'm just going to start row 1 by doing 2 chain space, 1, 2. That I will count this as my first single crochet. Now we are going to add this red color with our project, red colored yarn, because we are going to use white and red, these two color combination. You can choose any color combination that you would like. So next I'm just going to attach it with my project, this red color. Just put it like this on top of the chains and put your crochet hook through the 4th chain space. I've got 2 loops in my crochet hook now. Wrap the yarn around and pull through both. So that's my first single crochet done. Okay, and at the same time I have attached my red yarn with this white yarn. So now I will put my crochet hook to the next chain space, and the same way I will just do my stitches around while holding the red yarn in the middle. So this row we are not going to do any color change, just keep doing your single crochet throughout this row, and by the end of this row you should have 15 single crochet in total, including the first 2 chain spaces, which we always count as our first single crochet. That's my row 1 done. I'm just going to turn my work around and start doing row 2. Row 2, I'll start with 2 chain spaces, so that's chain 1 and chain 2. Now I'm just going to put this yarn, red yarn, on top again, and in this row again we are not going to do any work in the red color. See, in the first 2 rows we only did in white, but still you have to carry along your red color yarn throughout the project. So now I've done the 2 chain spaces. Now I'll move to the next chain space and do a single crochet while the red yarn will still be in the middle, and I'll wrap my work around it. So 1 more rows of single crochets, 15 single crochets in total. With the last single crochet of this row, this is how it looks like. For this project you will always have 1 front side and 1 back side. As you can see, this is our front side and this is going to be our back side, and all the wrapping like this will go to the back side. This is the front side. This is how the front side will look like. Okay, no red yarn wrapping like this part. So let's move to the row 3. Again as I said, we'll start with 2 chain spaces, which we will count as our first single crochet, right? And then again we'll put a red yarn on top of the chain spaces. Now I'll move to the next chain space while still holding my red yarn, and then now 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, we have to do 7 single crochet. Then we have to do a single crochet in red color in this row. So that's my second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and this is my seventh. So go to this next chain space and pull up a loop in white color, but then wrap the red yarn around your crochet hook and pull through, because I know next single crochet is going to be in red color. Pull up the loop with red color, but wrap the yarn in white yarn around and pull through. Okay, so that's my first single crochet in red color done. Now I'm back to working on my 7 more single crochet in white color. So just go ahead and do as usual, just single crochet, 7 more single crochet in white color. I've done my 7 single crochet in color white. Now I'm just going to move to the next row, and which is my row 4, and I'll start by crocheting 6 single crochet in color white, and then 3 single crochet in color red, and then 6 single crochet in color white again. So let's start with 2 chain spaces, which is our first single crochet, then move to the next, holding the red yarn from the back side while you are still doing a single crochet. 5 done. This is the 6th, so I pull the white loop, but I know the next chain I'm going to do a single crochet in red color, so I'm wrapping the red yarn around and pull through. I'm also taking the white yarn and putting it on top, and I'll do my next stitches around this white yarn. So now put my crochet hook to the next chain space and pull up a loop in red color and pull through. In this row I'm doing 3 single crochet in red color. Okay, so this is my last red color single crochet, and I know the next square I'm going to do a white color single crochet, so I'm going to wrap the yarn around my white yarn and my crochet hook and pull through. So now I have to start doing my 6 single crochet in white color while holding the red yarn like this. So that's me done with my 4th row. Now I have to move to the 5th row. 5th row I'll start by 2 chain spaces in color white. 2 chain spaces. Now I'm going to put my red yarn like this, and this time I have to crochet, I am here, I have to crochet 1 2 3 4 5 single crochet in white color, then 1 2 3 4 5 single crochet in red color, and then 5 more in white color. So that's my first single crochet. Then I'll move to the next chain space to do my second single crochet, 2 3 and 4, and now this is the 5th last one. So I'll put my crochet hook through the 5th chain space, pull up a loop in white color, then I'll wrap the red yarn around the crochet hook and pull through. Now 5 single crochet in color red. So go to the next chain space, pull up a loop, wrap the yarn around, pull through fast. And I'm doing all this while I'm holding my white yarn. Now this is the last single crochet in this color, so I'll put my crochet hook through the next chain space, pull up a loop in red color, then wrap the white yarn around my crochet hook and pull through. So that's me done with the red colors. Now I'll put the red yarn like this, go to the next chain space and start doing single crochet in color white, and 5 single crochet in total. Now turn your work around. Start row 6 in with 2 chain spaces. That's 1, 2. So now I have to crochet 4 single crochet and then 7 single crochet in red color and then 4 single crochet in white color. That's my first single crochet. I'll move to the next chain space and do another single crochet, 2, 3. So now I'm at the 4th single crochet, right? So put the crochet hook through, pull up a loop in white color, but the red yarn in now. And now just go ahead and do your 7 single crochet in color red. So that's my 6th, and this is the 7th. So this is the last one. So I'll wrap, pull up the loop in red color, but then I'll wrap the white yarn around and then pull through. Now I'll just go ahead and do 4 single crochet in color white. So I'm done with this row. Just going to turn my work around and start doing the next row with 2 chain spaces. Now in this row I can see this is how we are. We have to do 3 single crochet in white color and then 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 in red color, then 3 in white color. Let's start then. 2 chain spaces done, which we take as our first single crochet. Now go to the next chain space and start doing my single crochets. So that's my second single crochet. So this is the last single crochet in white color. I put the crochet hook through and pull up a loop in white color, but then I'll wrap the red color yarn around the crochet hook and pull through. So that's my single crochet done in white color. Now I have to crochet in 9 single crochet in the color red. Go to the next chain space here and start doing your single crochet. And this is the last one, 9. So I'll pull the loop in red color and then wrap the white yarn around and pull through. Now 3 more single crochet in color white. Row done. So now move to the next row with 2 chain spaces. This time we are in this row, and this time we'll only do 2 single crochet of white color, and then the rest of the single crochet should be in red color, and then 2 single crochet in white color to finish up this row. So this is the 2 chain spaces which we count as our first single crochet. Now I'll go to the next chain space and pull up a loop in white color and then wrap the red yarn around and pull through. For the next 11 single crochet we are going to do it in red color. Now this is the last single crochet in color red. So I'll pull up the loop in red color, then I'll wrap the white yarn around and pull through. Okay, now next 2 single crochet would be in color white. End of this row. Just turn your work around, start the next row. So for the next 3 rows we are going to be doing the same what we did in our previous row. 2 single crochet color, then 11 single crochet in the red color, and then 2 single crochet in white color for 3 more rows. So just go ahead and do that. So yeah, here at the moment, here you can see 3 single crochet in color white, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 single crochet in color red, and then 1 single crochet in color white, and then 4 single crochet in color red, and then to finish off 3 single crochet of color white. So this was the 2 chain space was the first single crochet of this row. Now I'll move to the next chain space to do another single crochet, and then 1 more single crochet in color white, but the next single crochet would be in red, so I'll pull the red yarn now. Now I have to do 4 single crochet in red color. So that's my first single crochet in red color, second, third, and this is the 4th. So I'll pull the loop in red color, but then wrap the white yarn around and pull through, and then do a single crochet in color white in the next chain space. But I know the next color would be in red, so I'll get the red colors. So now from now on I'll do the next 4 chain spaces in red color, 3, and this is the 4th. So 5th, after that we'll do in white color, so I'm getting the white loop in my crochet hook. Now in the next chain space I'm going to do 3 single crochet in the next 3 chain spaces in color white. Now turn the work around and start with 2 chain spaces, okay? And in this row I'm going to be doing 4 single crochet in white color, 2 single crochet in red color, 3 single crochet in white color, 2 single crochet in red color, and then 4 single crochet in color white. So that's my first single crochet done in white color. So I have to do 3 more single crochet in white color, and in the 4th one I'm just going to pull the red yarn, because the next 2 single crochet would be in color red. Next 3 chain space we are going to do in color white. After that we'll do 2 more single crochet in color red. So we are pulling the white yarn because the next stitch would be in white color. Now we are just going to do 3 more single crochet to finish up our row. Next row, you can see that this is where we are now, and the next 2 rows would be just single crochet in white color, so no more red color. Still carry on taking the red yarn strand all the way to the end of our project. So 2 chain spaces, and then go to the next chain space, start doing single crochet. Finished crocheting 2 rows in color white. Now I'll just do a chain 1 to secure my work. Now cut the yarn strand. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. Please like and subscribe and share this tutorial, and I will meet you again soon. Bye now.